All right, y'all, welcome to the channel. I am Roll, and in this video, I'm going to show you the easy way to chart. If you're a new trader or experienced, you must know how to chart your stocks. This is going to tell you where the support and resistance levels are at. When I first started trading, I didn't know how to chart stocks, so I kind of didn't know where the support was. I didn't know where the resistance was. So when I was getting into trades, what messed me up was I was having some sloppy entries. And to prevent you to having some sloppy entries, you need to watch this video. So before I get into it, I want you to do one thing for me. I just need you to hit that like button. And look, y'all, by hitting that like button, you push my video out there further. You get my video going to somebody that maybe don't know how to trade, or maybe this information may help them. So make sure you hit that like button. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. So let's get into it. So here we are. I'm using the Thinkorswim platform, and I'm going to show you the easy way to chart. So right here, this is Meta. I got Meta pulled up. You got your pre-market over here in the gray, and you got your daily right here. So the number one thing you want to do when you're charting, if you got Thinkorswim, is to go over to your tool right here. This is going to be the price level. So it looks like a little dollar sign. As you can see, it's right there. So what I'm doing when I'm charting, I'm trying to look for the support and resistance levels of a stock. As you can see, if you look at a stock, it looks like some humps, look like some camel humps right here. So at the tops, I can see right now, this is a top, this is a top, this is a top, this is a top. And then I got my bottoms right here. Bottom, bottom, bottom. So what I want to do, I want to draw a line every time I see a top. So there's my line right there. That's a top. Now that I got my tops, I want to draw a line to the bottom for my support. So I'll draw the line right there because I see that that candlestick had came right down here and bounced. So that is a support. Over here, I can see another wick coming down here, so I will add a line about right there, and then I'll add a line right here because you can see this came down and bounced. And then I'm gonna add one more right here. Here we go. Bam. One at the bottom because that is a bounce. So all I did, now I got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lines. And right now, I can automatically see that this stock has went to this resistance level, tried to break through but couldn't break through, went back down to this support line, bounced off of that support line, went back up to that resistance level, couldn't break through. So I know right now from me just drawing these lines kind of what direction the stock is going to go. As you can see, it went up here and tried to break through that resistance and couldn't, so I know it's headed back down. It broke through that support level and then broke through this support level. But then it went all the way down to this support level and bounced off. The stock went up here and bounced off that resistance. Resistance is like somebody just stopping you from going somewhere. You're trying to jump up in the air and they're just putting you down. Support is somebody holding you up. So if you're about to fall, somebody is supporting you right there. So that's all the support and resistance levels is. But it's major in a stock because it tells kind of where the direction and where stocks are going to bounce. As you can see, this stock came down here. It bounced off that support, went to this line, couldn't break through that resistance, and then it came back to test that support. 9 times out of 10, stocks are going up and down every day. As you can see, up and down, up and down, up and down. So what are they really doing? They're bouncing off the support, then they're going to the resistance, then they're bouncing back off support, then they're going to the resistance. So what I can see, if I move this stock down, I can see now the channel that it's in. Right here, this is some resistance. So I know this stock has been trending in this little channel right here. This is the channel, bam, bam, bam. As you can see, it went right here, tried to break through the resistance and couldn't. So now it goes right back down to that support. I already know if it bounces off of this support, it's going to the top, and that's exactly what it did. Now, here comes the next channel, y'all. It broke through the resistance. It tried right here, tried here, then it broke through right there. So now that I know, it's in the next channel. So I can easily come up here and see that that is a top. I already have this support, so that's the next resistance level. And that's the basic of charting. All you're doing is trying to find the support at the bottom and find the resistance at the top. And once you chart a stock, you can just keep going down the line and you'll see that the stock will line up almost with these lines. So that is it. Real simple, real easy. And this is something that you have to do when you first start off trading. Please chart your stocks. Now, when I'm in my Discord and I'm calling out calls and you happen to miss my call, you could be 2 minutes or 3 minutes late missing it. One thing you don't want to do is jump in a stock that is moving blind and you haven't charted. You want to have risk management. So drawing your lines, your support and resistance levels is helping you manage that risk. And as traders, we want to minimize any risk of losing money. It is very key to chart. If you have any questions or anything, please comment below. Make sure you also check out the links that I got in the bottom. Make sure you join my Discord so you can trade with me live. Also, make sure you check out the unusual options scanner that I have down below. It fits right into Thinkorswim and it will light up green unusual options. So if you trade options, this is a great tool for you to have. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.